Alright, hello everyone, Boris here. So yeah, today we'll continue the character stories here of Wolfgang Another. So let's continue. Okay, alright, let's continue here. So or maybe yeah, let's keep on doing that. We want to do for Phantom Wolf. The trust of partners, right? Is this how do you translate? If Ko and Tomoya are something, 12 a.m. at a great IT company at the. Oh damn! I do not. Is it like the headquarters? Should be. It's at a great IT company at the headquarters. Okay. Wait. Hey. Wait. Cool. So you see, this is the file that has the top secret file. It has the top secret documents. Is this one right? Wait, let me get the volume down first. Yes, that's right. But this file was locked, and I need to crack the password. Unlock the password. Oh, so is this password very hard to unlock? Well, since this is a great IT company, so they've done really well in the security. So it seems really hard. Man, I can't believe even Cole cannot even. So, oh man. So is it a security system that even Cole cannot unlock? Well, I never said I cannot unlock it. Who do you think I am? Although I need a bit of time, I can definitely unlock this password. It's really cool. I'm relying on you, leader. After a few minutes, Dee. Alright. I've opened it. Oh, really? Damn it. Really? This company has problems of not paying their taxes. Apart from this top secret file, this top secret document, I found out some records that could also be used as evidence. If we could steal this evidence, we would have finished our case. Right. Let us download these data. Talking about this, it's really cool. It's so incredible. What is it? Why are you suddenly praising me? Not only your hacking skills are incredible, you're also our leader of our. Oh damn it! Like, how should we exactly quiet tune? Sorry. You're also the leader of the. Although, like, I think this kind of it's I guess pirates or of the thief, right? You're also the leader of the thief of our thief group. That does not make sense. I think we have to later check it. It's always you who is responsible of leading others. You are a really reliable leader. You really have the courage to say these embarrassing lines. Well, of course, because this is my true words. Is it that you're shy? You're blushing right now? Don't say nonsense. It's because what you said is too embarrassing and I'm angry. Sorry. Really? Fine. Besides, I'm relying on you, Tomoya. Cole is unbelievably relying on me? Of course. But why? I don't have this kind of leadership skills like Cole. And I do not have hacking. I do not have skills. Skills. I don't have skill. I don't have hacking skills. Hacking that kind of skills that are suitable for thieves to use. The point is our skills could be used in different aspects. Our skills can be used in areas, or I think this one should means that our skills, so we can our sort of we could put our skills in the right place. Is it put their skills in the right place? Right, Tomoya, you are the best in physical and strength and damn it, Tomoya, you are the best in strength and damn it, and you're the best in strength and energy among all of us. And what you're just saying right now, you do not have anything suitable. You don't have a strength in thief that's suitable. But I know that you're secretly learning how to secretly learn how to fight, right? How do you know this? Well, because before Yukiri saw you are training, and every time after school, you'd secretly go to another place, and Yukiri is very worried about you. Oh, so that's why. Really, it was really exposed. Well, because I really want to help you guys, so I just secretly went on training. But it's still not enough. You're really a hardworking person. I hope Ikiri could learn this from you. But Ikiri has also got some really good strengths. Although I don't know this really count as strengths, but as long as this guy is here, he could always could turn danger to turn a situation from dangerous to a more safe situation. Whatever. I am also relying on you a lot. This team needs to have me, Yoto, Tomoya, and Yukiri, you guys. And that's why this could be established. So I would also be counting on you later in the future. Yes. All right. The data is downloaded to 70%. Just a little bit more. What is this kind of sound? This is a fire alarm, right? Huh? Yoto's calling. What's that, Yoto? Yoto, what happened? Actually, blame for that rubbish kid. Rubbish Daddy, the fire alarm, the fire alarm gone off, and there are many security right now. Damn it, we're surrounded. Your kitty, how? Your kitty, how careless is he? Cool. Toma, you go and save your kitty. I'm sure according to your abilities, these security guards should be easy for you to handle, right? Yes, but what about you, Cole? Don't worry about me. Whatever, let's not talk about this. If Yukiri and Yoto are arrested, then it's gone, then it's game over. Quick, go! I see. I'll go now. Alright. Then I'm counting on you, Tomoya. Cole, then let's meet here at the... Then let's meet at the, I don't know, its original position. It's just like they're meeting at some place. I will definitely go. If you have the ability to arrest us, then go try. Oh man. Next year project, Phantom Wolf. Oh yes, because the main story they also have issued a Phantom Wolf right now. Yeah. Okay. So here's it. It's ended, and also because like right now you heard that there is Yukidari and Yoto. They're also belonging to their team here. So maybe in the next episode I will also do this as well. Alright, so see you guys. Bye!